So let's do a guided meditation today. Be comfortable, sit in a quiet place, comfortable position, whichever position you want to take. You can either sit in a chair or sit on a floor with your feet crossed, spines straight, arms relaxed on your thighs. Keep yourself relaxed in whichever form you're sitting. Focus on your breath slowly. Slowly close your eyes. Start to focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. Count till 5 when you're inhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Continue your breathing, counting 5 while inhaling, holding for 2 seconds, exhaling 4, counting 5. Continue inhaling, holding for 2 seconds and exhaling. Keep it slow. Keep it comfortable. Focus on your breath. Focus on your breath. Relax your body. Completely relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your eyes are relaxed. Your arms are resting, relaxed. Your feet is relaxed. Thighs are relaxed. Your fingers are relaxed. Your abdomen is relaxed. It goes up and down with the breathing. Your neck is relaxed. Your facial muscles are relaxed. Continue with the breathing. Inhale energy. Exhale the unwanted feelings. Inhale power. Exhale the negativity. Inhale happiness. Exhale the unwanted emotions. Inhale prosperity. Exhale unwanted emotions. You're getting power through this meditation practice. You're finding peace. You're not finding peace somewhere outside, but you're finding peace which is already there in you. You are a peaceful being. Understand that there is enough light inside you. There is enough room inside you to hold you so tightly. You are powerful. Continue with the breathing. Continue with the breathing in and out. And you're becoming more and more peaceful. You're becoming more and more joyful. Your emotional scale is going up. Your peace is spreading all over your body. Your body is getting healed. Your blood is getting cleansed. You're healing with each breath. You're getting purified with each breath. Inhale exhale. Every single day, keep aside some time to do this. Wherever you are, take some time out and find a peaceful corner, be it in your home or office if possible. Spend some time doing this and you will discover that the transformation in you. You will find that you will be more energetic, more and more energetic, more and more joyful. You started to find peace within you. You start to grow from within. You radiate energy. You radiate peace. You radiate joy. Your skin will start to glow. Your memory will improve. You can continue to sit like this for 5 more minutes, or you can gently come back. So before coming back, rub your hands, rub your palms together and place your palms on your face and gently open your eyes to your palms. You're looking your palms and you're seeing the lines on your palms and you're being completely present in the moment. Once again, rubbing your palms together and gently seeing your feet. Relax your feet and come back to normal position and set an intention to live your moments ahead with more mindfulness. You can listen to self-affirmations after that, or you can straight away start your day or continue with your day. Or if you're doing it before sleeping, you can go to sleep. I wish you more happiness and peace in your life. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for staying with us. Thank you.